What's the difference between accessibility, inclusive practice, and universal design? Accessibility is really about enabling somebody to access what they need to access. But what it doesn't guarantee is that that person feels included by that. In many ways, most people take it for granted that accessibility is a positive thing, and I think it just makes absolute sense, doesn't it? You wouldn't, for example, if you bought a ticket to a football match and you found yourself with a huge great pillar in between you and the pitch, you would feel a bit cheated. And so in the same way, a student comes to the university, if they find they can't access either the learning or the materials that are provided online or in handouts, then they're going to feel a little bit cheated in having paid the same as everyone else, but actually got a slightly less good deal. Inclusive teaching and learning is the ongoing practice of being inclusive in the classroom and in the materials that you deliver in terms of inclusive teaching. So it's about practice, it's about what you deliver, and that helps people feel included. Universal design is about thinking about something in the first place. When you're planning, designing, making, building, whatever it might be. Like, why would I make my video have subtitles when I don't have a deaf student in my classroom? Well, there are two really important answers to that question. One is actually a legal answer. There's a thing called anticipatory duty as part of the Equality Act, which means that we are obliged to think ahead, if you like, and anticipate who might be accessing resources. But the other is that it's not always going to be the deaf person who is advantaged or supported by that use of subtitles. It might be somebody who happens to have very bad hearing that day, but is not actually recognised as disabled. It might be somebody who finds it difficult to process information delivered in that visual way, and they really need to see the subtitles to be able to really reinforce their learning. So there's a whole range of different reasons why inclusive delivery of materials benefits not just the disabled person that you might have originally focused on, but many more students than that. One of the things that people get really upset about, or anxious about perhaps more than upset, is the sense that they've done all this work and then, that's not accessible. The most important thing is to think about how you build universal design into your own thinking. So what that means is, don't set out to treat universal design as a project. Don't think, I'm going to design everything universally and then I'll have done it and I can take it away. Think about the principles of universal design. Think about the principles of inclusive practice, and then start to apply them on a daily basis. Think like that at all times, and it will save you so much time later.